Have you noticed your legs feeling weaker, your balance not what it used to be, or your knees starting to ache after simple movements? You're not alone. After 50, leg strength naturally declines. But here's the truth. Walking alone won't rebuild what you've lost. If you don't take action now, those small signs of weakness can turn into falls, mobility loss, and eventually a loss of independence. In this video, you'll learn 5 simple but powerful exercises you can do at home to recover your leg strength, improve balance, and stay active well into your later years. No gym or fancy equipment needed. You'll also discover the most common mistakes people make and a 7-day plan to start rebuilding your strength safely and effectively. Start with standing calf raises. Your calves are your second heart. They help pump blood back up through your body and stabilize you with every step. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart and hold on to a wall or chair for balance. Lift your heels off the floor and rise onto your toes as high as you can. Hold for 2 seconds, then lower slowly. Begin with 2 sets of 10 reps, resting for a minute between sets. As you get stronger, increase to 3 sets of 15. Next, try the Bulgarian split squat. This strengthens each leg independently, correcting imbalances that tend to develop with age. Stand a step in front of a sturdy chair or bench and place 1 foot behind you on it. Lower your body by bending your front knee until your thigh is parallel to the floor. Keep your chest upright and your front knee aligned with your toes. Start with 2 sets of 8 reps per leg and increase gradually. Don't let your knee pass your toes. That keeps your joints safe. For balance and coordination, add the stationary march. Stand tall, engage your core, and march in place, lifting your knees to hip height while swinging your arms naturally. Do 3 to 4 sets of 30 to 60 seconds, resting for 30 seconds between each. Go slow at first, then pick up the pace as your endurance improves. Now lie on your back for the isometric glute bridge. Bend your knees, keep your feet flat on the floor, and lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Squeeze your glutes hard and hold for 15 to 20 seconds before lowering slowly. Do 5 rounds, resting 30 seconds between each. Focus on feeling the pressure in your glutes, not your lower back. Grab 2 equal weights, maybe water bottles or shopping bags, and try the farmer's walk. Stand tall, shoulders back, and walk 20 steps forward and back without leaning to the sides. This move builds total body stability, grip strength, and posture control. Start with 3 rounds, resting a minute between each. Here's an extra one, the wall squat. Lean your back against a wall, feet shoulder width apart, and slide down until your thighs are parallel to the floor, like you're sitting on an invisible chair. Hold for 30 seconds, then rest. This builds leg endurance and joint strength safely. As you go through these, avoid common mistakes. Don't move too quickly. Control each motion. Keep your knees from collapsing inward, maintain good posture, and focus on full range of motion. And if you ever feel joint pain instead of muscle fatigue, stop immediately and adjust your form. Here's a simple 7-day plan to help you stay consistent. Day 1 and 4, calf raises and glute bridges. Day 2 and 5, Bulgarian split squats and farmer's walk. Day 3 and 6, stationary march and wall squat. Day 7, active recovery. Take a light walk, stretch, or do some yoga. Consistency is key. Within a few weeks, you'll start noticing stronger legs, better balance, and more confidence with every step. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe, because the right exercises can literally add years of strength and independence to your life. Comment below with your name and city and let me know which exercise you're starting with today.